Welcome back to Kingy's Box Breaks. Today we're going to be doing Marvel Mint. Seen these online, these look pretty sick. But let's not waste any time, let's get straight into it. Let's open up the Samurai. Got the gloves on today. Let's get it open and see what's encased. I've seen some 101s, some 105s. Let's see if we can hit the jackpot. Pretty cool little box. Quite an expensive little box. As you can see, it's just Silver Surfer, that's minted. That's pretty cool. It's a refractor. Very hot at the moment with the Fantastic Four. It's pretty decent. Just gonna leave that aside. And then we're gonna open up and see what we've got inside the packs. So we got Loki, Moon Knight, Nightcrawler, She-Hulk. Lovely artwork on this. Very impressed. Well done, Tops. Beast. We've got a different colour here. Pretty cool. Oh, that was a 56 or 75. Thanks for watching. Nothing really here is a big hitter, just a refractor of Silver Surfer. Thanks for watching. Peace.